Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, I would like to show how to connect to remote desktop on Windows. First of all, search on the taskbar for remote desktop connection. Open this built-in app. Here you have to enter the IP of the remote desktop. After entering the IP of the remote desktop, click on this Show Options drop-down. Now here you have to write the remote desktop's username. After all this, click on the Connect button. Now click on Yes. Here you have to enter the password of the remote desktop. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.